tries one on a him and rock card. We got 6.
Okay, we're gonna make an airplane craft. So what you need to do this craft is what? Clothespins. And we pre-cut out these foam things. So you have 2 long ones, 1 short one, and 1 that's gonna go on the tail. Yeah,
Mom's.
Okay, this one's for Mom.
And Mom.
So I'm gonna put the glue on for you guys.
This one's for Mackie.
This one's for Mackie?
Yeah.
Who's Mackie?
His dog. Mackie doggy lily Mackie.
Mackie's your doggy?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Mackie was your friend.
Mackie what? Mackie? Mackie said I can have his puppy.
Mackie said you can have his puppy?
Yeah.
Cool.
Can have puppy by himself.
What's the puppy's name?
But Mackie.
Mackie's the puppy's name?
Yeah. Like my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend's name is Mackie and his puppy's name is Mackie?
Yeah.
Whoa.
All of them. So, whoa. One dog has.
Malachi's making his that looks like Dusty from Planes.
Yeah.
That's why you want to pick orange, right, buddy?
Yeah. Hey, don't forget his tail. Don't forget his tail.
Okay, here's one down. We just gotta wait for it to cool down a little bit. And we have an airplane!
Yeah. And my Lego plane, right?
Yeah, well yeah, you can call it your Lego plane. So this is one, and when you do it for the little kids, you gotta do the hot glue gun part.
Yeah.
And so Abby's gonna come over here, and she's gonna help me do the hot glue gun part with my help. She's a big girl. Gonna come over here and do it? So here you go, Malachi.
Here.
So you go fly it? Whoa! Ah! Don't crash me!
Oh no!
Okay, so when you use the hot glue gun, you don't touch this part because it's hot. So we're gonna put a little bit. Who's you gonna do first? Yours or Mommy's?
Mine.
Yours? Wanna do this pinky flirty one? Okay. Gonna put a hot glue right there. So you just.
What, Elmo?
Okay, squeeze a little bit. Hot glue. Perfect. And now we're gonna put this piece on top here. But careful, because it's when you use the glue part is hot, right? So you want to be careful with it.
Looky, Mom. Looky,
Squeeze this.
Mackie P.
Oh, I love it.
Look
Orange, your favorite color.
Yeah. And Mackie pink.
Cool.
And Mackie pink. I like the pink, right?
You like it? We're going to squeeze some more glue here.
I like my Lego pink.
Ooh.
It's hard to get out.
Yeah.
Wait, it did have to dry, right? It did have to dry, right, Daddy?
Alright, squeeze a little tiny bit. Yeah, you're right, Malachi.
You can't fly away now, right?
We're going to stick this piece right on there.
Hey!
Now you got to give it a couple
We
of
had
seconds
to
to dry.
make Skipper. Remember? We had to make Skipper too. Skipper's already. Oh, Skipper. Did Dusty Copper, right?
Have Dusty Crop-Hopper?
Yeah, and our one
So just be gentle with this piece.
Happy Skipper,
Like
right?
it?
Oh, you make Skipper too?
Yeah.
Here's Abney's plane.
Oh, I love the colors.
Can you do that?
Okay, now we'll make some more planes and we'll show you them all when they're done. Okay, the airplanes are all done. Here they are now. Dun, 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 dun. So if you want to learn how to make these airplanes and stuff like that, you can check out our website, and we'll have the instructions posted on there, and you can check it out and build these airplanes with your kids. Oh yeah.